10 Best Universities in USA for Aerospace Engineering. From designing next-generation rockets to building hypersonic aircraft and exploring Mars, aerospace engineering is at the heart of humanity's greatest technological ambitions. And when it comes to studying aerospace engineering, no country leads the way quite like the United States of America, home to the most advanced universities, cutting-edge labs, and collaborations with NASA, SpaceX, and Boeing. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 best universities in the USA for aerospace engineering in 2026, ranked for research excellence, innovation, facilities, and industry impact. Let's take off. Number 10, University of Texas at Austin, UT Austin. At number 10, we begin with the University of Texas at Austin, a powerhouse of innovation and research. UT Austin's Aerospace Engineering and Engineering Mechanics department blends aerodynamics, propulsion, flight mechanics, and astronautics into a single, modern curriculum. What sets UT Austin apart is its collaboration with NASA's Johnson Space Center and private companies like Lockheed Martin and SpaceX. Students often engage in real-world projects that simulate spacecraft design, propulsion systems, and orbital mechanics. Facilities like the Center for Space Research (CSR) and Texas Spacecraft Laboratory provide opportunities to build and launch satellites. Yes, actual satellites built by students. UT Austin researchers played a role in developing guidance systems for lunar missions during the Apollo era. With strong ties to Texas's booming aerospace sector, this is one of the best launchpads for aspiring space engineers. Number 9, Texas A&M University, College Station. At number 9, we have Texas A&M University, a school with deep aerospace heritage. Its Department of Aerospace Engineering, known as Aero at TAMU, is one of the largest and most recognized in the United States. From hypersonic wind tunnels to state-of-the-art flight testing labs, Texas A&M is heavily involved in national defense and space research. Students can participate in the Aerospace Vehicle Design Laboratory, the National Aerothermochemistry and Hypersonics Lab, and even collaborate with NASA on supersonic flight experiments. Texas A&M alumni are found everywhere, from NASA astronauts to Boeing and Lockheed executives. Their hands-on approach and team-based learning make it an ideal environment for engineers who want to design aircraft that break speed and altitude records. Number 8, University of Colorado, Boulder. Coming in at number 8 is the University of Colorado Boulder, home to one of the top space programs in the world. CU Boulder's Ann and H.J. the Smead Department of Aerospace Engineering Sciences combines aerospace systems, bioastronautics, and space science under one roof. The university works closely with the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, LASB, a NASA-funded institute where students directly participate in missions. CU Boulder students contributed to NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission, which successfully collected samples from asteroid Bennu. Its location in Colorado, a state that hosts major aerospace employers like Ball Aerospace, Lockheed Martin, and Sierra Space, gives graduates a direct pathway to high-impact careers. Number 7, University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, UIUC. At number 7, we find UIUC, a historic leader in aeronautical engineering research. Founded over 150 years ago, UIUC's Department of Aerospace Engineering has contributed to aircraft design, rocket propulsion, and computational fluid dynamics for decades. Its research labs include the Aerospace Systems Lab, Applied Aerodynamics Lab, and Experimental Combustion Research Group, where students analyze propulsion systems and supersonic flow. NASA's Mars rover technology and the algorithms behind hypersonic flight simulations have roots in UIUC research. Graduates go on to work at places like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Northrop Grumman, making UIUC a true engineering powerhouse. Number 6, University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. At number 6, we have the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, home to the Department of Aerospace Engineering, one of the oldest in the nation. Founded in 1914, Michigan's program has shaped modern aerospace education and research. The department focuses on autonomous aircraft, space systems, and propulsion technologies. Students gain access to specialized labs like the Gas Dynamics Test Facility and the Wilson Student Team Project Center, where they build UAVs and satellites. Michigan's MXL Michigan E-Exploration Laboratory has built and launched more than a dozen small satellites into orbit, all designed by students. Combined with a global alumni network and partnerships with companies like Boeing and NASA Glenn Research Center, Michigan offers both prestige and hands-on experience. Number 5. Purdue University. At number 5, we arrive at Purdue University, also known as the Cradle of Astronauts. Purdue has produced 25 astronauts, including Neil Armstrong, the first human on the moon. The School of Aeronautics and Astronautics emphasizes spacecraft design, propulsion, and autonomous systems. Students often work on real satellite missions through Purdue's Zucrow Laboratories, one of the world's largest propulsion test facilities. Purdue's collaboration with NASA on the Artemis program puts students at the forefront of lunar exploration. Their motto, "We don't just study space, we go there." Number 4. Stanford University. At number 4, we have Stanford University, located in the heart of Silicon Valley, the world's tech and innovation hub. Stanford's Aeronautics and Astronautics department focuses on cutting-edge fields like autonomous flight, spacecraft systems, and computational aerodynamics. With strong ties to NASA's Ames Research Center and companies like SpaceX and Google, students are immersed in real-world innovation. Stanford researchers are behind key developments in satellite constellations and reusable launch systems, technologies reshaping space exploration today. The entrepreneurial spirit of Stanford means aerospace students don't just study existing technologies, they invent the next generation. Number 3. Georgia Institute of Technology, Georgia Tech. At number 3 is Georgia Tech, one of the top public universities for aerospace and mechanical engineering. Its Daniel Guggenheim School of Aerospace Engineering consistently ranks among the top in the world. Georgia Tech's strengths lie in aerodynamics, propulsion, and space systems design. Their Aerospace Systems Design Laboratory (ASDL) is a global leader in next-generation aircraft simulation and optimization. Many of NASA's Mars mission engineers and SpaceX flight controllers are Georgia Tech alumni. Located in Atlanta, a hub for aerospace companies, Georgia Tech gives students unmatched research opportunities and internships. Number 2. California Institute of Technology, Caltech. Caltech's Division of Engineering and Applied Science offers one of the world's most elite aerospace programs. In partnership with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, located right on campus, Caltech students and researchers design interplanetary missions, develop robotic explorers, and advance propulsion systems for deep space travel. Every Mars rover mission, from Sojourner to Perseverance, involved Caltech scientists and engineers. Despite its small size, Caltech's impact on aerospace innovation is monumental. Number 1. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. MIT's Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics, AeroAstro, has defined aerospace engineering for over a century. From the Apollo guidance computer to modern reusable rockets, MIT innovations have shaped space exploration and aviation technology. The department focuses on space systems engineering, robotics, propulsion, and autonomous flight. Students train in facilities like the Gas Turbine Lab, Man Vehicle Lab, and Space Systems Lab, collaborating with NASA, Boeing, SpaceX, and the U.S. Air Force. MIT alumni include astronauts, aerospace CEOs, and engineers behind the Artemis lunar program and Mars missions. In short, MIT doesn't just teach aerospace, it builds the future of flight. Here are 3 honorable mention bonus universities for aerospace engineering in the USA, excellent programs just outside the top 10. Pennsylvania State University, Penn State, University Park, PA. Known for aerodynamics, propulsion, and space systems research. Home to the Applied Research Laboratory, a key partner in U.S. defense projects. Offers robust co-op and internship opportunities with major aerospace firms. Virginia Tech, Blacksburg, VA. offers one of the most hands-on aerospace curriculums in the nation. Students gain experience through wind tunnel testing and UAV design teams. Highly regarded for research in aerodynamics and rotorcraft. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Daytona Beach, FL. The world's largest aviation and aerospace-focused university. Specialized programs in aeronautics, astronautics, and flight systems. Perfect for students seeking a career directly in aviation or space industries. Each of these universities is shaping the future of aerospace and space exploration. Which one would you choose to launch your dream career? Comment below with your dream university, and don't forget to subscribe for more rankings, insights, and study guides from around the world.